A non-governmental organization has unveiled its report on the level of non-compliance by agencies of federal government to remittances of revenues. The group calls for public pressure on ministries, departments and agencies towards complying with the provisions of the Fiscal Responsibility Act. TVC News correspondent Joke Adisa reports.
The Fiscal Responsibility Commission was established in 2007 to provide for prudent management of the nation's resources. 15 years on, the Commission is battling non-compliance with some of the provisions establishing it. This assembly of government organizations, civil society groups, and the media is here to hear about GIFT's contribution to the crusade for remittances of funds to government coffers by MDAs. It comes at a time the National Assembly is investigating the indebtedness to the federal government of over 2 trillion naira by MDAs.
If we know why they are defaulting, then we can ask the follow-up question. What is the authority, or what are the authorities doing about the default? Is it okay to just throw our arms in the air that revenues for public service delivery is dwindling?
With Nigeria's debt on the rise, many here insist remittance of government funds is critical to helping the nation.
We're happy that the CSOs have risen up to the occasion. We're happy that they are partnering with the governments. We continue to encourage them.
The current administration is trying everything humanly possible to ensure that all leakages as far as revenue in the public sector is concerned are blocked.
We've borrowed so much money, even though they say we've not exceeded the threshold. But it begins to put fears in the minds of people who are right thinking.
For the reviewer, the report comes handy towards seeing the desired change the nation requires.
Naira is under so much pressure, we may not even find money to borrow again. I hope we know that the Chinese funds that is to fund our infrastructure by way of borrowing from us has also dried up.
Where is the money? Catalogs the Revenue Remittance Compliance Index of 150 federal government agencies. 58 of them fared above average, 73 fell on average compliance level, while 19 were below average compliance. The report recommends, among others, that the power to enforce the Fiscal Responsibility Act be clearly bestowed on the Fiscal Responsibility Commission through an amendment to the Act stipulating sanctions and punishments for non-compliance with the provisions of the law. Joke Adisa, TVC News, Abuja.